Welcome to my on YouTube channel.
Remember when AI image generators first hit the scene?
Hmm.
Blew everyone away, right?
Yeah, like suddenly anyone could be an artist, at least sort of.
Totally. But get this. What if you could do the same thing, but with video?
Oh, wow. Okay, I see where you're going with this.
That's exactly what we're diving into today, Vidu AI. This tool claims to do for video what those early AI art programs did for images.
And I'm guessing it's more than just slapping some moving effects on a still picture.
Way more. From what I've been reading, we're talking full-on video generation from a text prompt in like a minute.
Seriously, that fast?
That's what the sources are saying. And a big part of how it works seems to be this thing called a universal vision transformer, UVIT for short.
Ah, yes, the UVI. Okay, so this is where things get really interesting. This isn't just about slapping some animation on a still image.
Yeah, that's what I figured. So like, what makes the UVIT so special?
Well, in simple terms, it allows the AI to actually understand the relationships between different elements in a scene.
So instead of seeing like a dog and a frisbee as just two separate things.
Exactly. It understands the action, the context, throwing, catching, fetching, that sort of thing.
Wow, okay. That is way beyond just like animating still images.
Right. It's that deeper understanding that lets Vidu AI create these surprisingly coherent narratives. And the visual quality is amazing too. We're talking 1080p resolution, which is a big deal for video.
That's super important. Nobody wants blurry videos, no matter how cool the AI behind them is.
Exactly.
And then there are all these extra features that seem really geared towards creators. Like they've got this automatic prompt enhancement thing.
Oh yeah, that's a huge time saver. Basically, you can give the AI a basic prompt and it'll like jazz it up, make it more dynamic.
So you don't have to be a prompt writing wizard to get good results.
Exactly. Plus, there's this character consistency feature, which is a godsend for like animation.
Yeah, because I've seen some AI generated stuff where the character is like morphing from frame to frame. Super distracting.
Right. Video AI is supposed to be much better at maintaining a consistent look and feel throughout the video.
So no more Frankenstein monster characters. That's a huge relief.
Definitely. And I think this is where things get really exciting for professionals too.
Oh, absolutely. Like for animators, right?
Yeah, imagine being able to quickly mock up an idea from your storyboards or just experiment with different visual styles without having to painstakingly animate everything by hand.
I was actually just reading about that. One of the articles mentioned this image reference feature. So you could like feed it a series of panels from your storyboard.
And boom, you get a rough animation to work with.
That's incredible. So it's kind of like how some AI image generators use reference photos, but for video.
Exactly. Although the complexity is obviously way higher when you're dealing with multiple frames and movement and all that.
I bet. But still, that has to be a game changer for animators.
Yeah.
Especially for like rapid prototyping or overcoming creative blocks.
Absolutely. And the best part, Video AI has a free tier so anyone can try it out.
That's huge. Not just for animators, but like anyone who's ever wanted to play around with making videos.
That's for sure. And think about the potential applications. Education, marketing, entertainment, the list goes on.
It really does. It's almost like we're on the verge of this whole new era of video creation.
Totally.
But it also makes you wonder, right? Like, how is this all going to shake things up? What does it mean for the future of storytelling, of online communication, even of our own creativity, when anyone can make a video about anything in just a few minutes?
It's a really good question, and one that we're all going to have to grapple with as this technology continues to evolve.
No doubt. But hey, that's a conversation for another deep dive. For now, it seems pretty clear that AI video generation is here to stay, and I, for one, am excited to see where it takes us.
Me too. It's going to be fascinating to watch it all unfold.